any hair color you have can be hidden by this wig pretty well, because this, you guys can see the volume of the hair. Yeah, and I'm just gonna try this one on. I'm gonna hide all my hairline first, and then I'm just gonna hold these two in. Oops. Alright, I'm gonna hide a little bit of my hair on the back. Here we go. Yeah, especially when you have a lot of hair, this is just a lot of work. You need to take care of all your extra hair in. Alright, I think it's good. And let's just move all my hair on the back. Yeah, sometimes it happens. Or you can, if you think this is not easy for you, you can just tie your hair as a ponytail on the medium of your head. Then just take it off when you're done with this stabilizing this stretchable headband, and then let it go. I will use that technique next time, since I'm already finished it. See, my own hair is not showing off.